Ever felt like your spare change could be doing more than just gathering dust in your wallet or sitting idly in a bank account? What if there was a way to effortlessly put those small amounts to work, gradually building towards your financial goals without even really noticing? That's the exciting premise behind microinvesting, and platforms like Raiz have made it incredibly accessible. Now, if you're exploring the world of Raiz, you've probably come across the term funding account. But what exactly is it, and why is it so crucial to your Raiz journey? Think of your Raiz funding account as the engine that powers your investment experience. It's the vital link between your everyday finances and the world of investing. Essentially, your funding account is the external bank account that you connect to your Raiz account. This is where the magic of microinvesting begins. When you set up your Raiz account, you'll be prompted to link a debit card or a bank account. This linked account becomes your designated funding source. So, how does it all work? Raiz operates on the principle of rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.60, Raiz can round that up to $4, and that spare 40 cents is then earmarked for investment. These small roundups accumulate over time, and periodically, Raiz will withdraw these funds from your linked funding account and invest them according to your chosen portfolio. But it's not just about roundups. Your funding account also serves as the source for any one-off deposits you might want to make into your Raiz account. Perhaps you've received a bonus, or you have some extra cash you'd like to invest directly. You can easily transfer these funds from your linked bank account to your Raiz account, again fueling your investment growth. Why is having a designated funding account so important? Firstly, it streamlines the entire investment process. By linking your bank account, you automate the roundup process, making investing truly effortless. You don't have to manually transfer small amounts of money every time you want to invest. Raiz handles it seamlessly in the background. Secondly, it provides a clear and organized way to track your investment contributions. All the funds that go into your Raiz account will originate from this single, designated source. This makes it easier for you to monitor your investment activity and understand where your investment capital is coming from. Furthermore, it ensures the security of your funds. Raiz uses secure connections to access your linked bank account for the sole purpose of transferring investment funds. They employ robust security measures to protect your financial information, giving you peace of mind. Choosing the right funding account is also something to consider. While Raiz typically accepts most major bank accounts and debit cards, it's worth ensuring that the account you link is one that you regularly use for everyday transactions, especially if you intend to take full advantage of the roundup feature. In essence, your Raiz funding account is more than just a linked bank account. It's the gateway to your micro-investing journey, the engine of your automated savings, and a crucial element in making investing accessible and effortless. It simplifies the process of turning your spare change and extra funds into potential long-term growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.